Hello friends, today I'm going to show you part 2 of our pista craft. Before we see what are the items for this craft, I just want to say thank you for all your likes. Now let's see what are the items you're going to need for this craft. Okay, let's start with the first step of our craft. We're gonna take our cutter, sharp, be careful, and we make cuts from the outline I have made on the frame. Okay, so I'm done here. We don't need this piece anymore. So you got the frame now. Now it's time for some painting. I'm gonna start with blue. So while the sun is drying, I'm just gonna glue some things. Now our frame is ready and we just need to leave it to dry. Hey friends, did you enjoy the video? I hope you did. And just have a look at the result of our craft. Ta-da! Oops. Ta-da! Isn't it nice? I hope you enjoyed my video. Like and subscribe to my channel, Crazy Crafter. Bye-bye!